Nikki at NikkiHaddock.com and Back to Basics, here with you today for the 8th segment in our Instant Pot series. And today we're going to be doing Steel Cut Oats. So I love making Steel Cut Oats ahead of time and having them in the fridge ready to microwave when I'm ready to eat them. But the great thing with the Instant Pot is you have that option, but you could also program it so that they're ready for you at breakfast time. Just a quick reminder as well of the contest for this Instant Pot. The draw date for that is July 31st, 2019, and you can find the instructions on how to enter on our social media pages. Let's head over to the kitchen. Okay, we're ready to start our oatmeal. So we've got 1 cup of Steel Cut Oats, a teaspoon of salt, and 3 cups of water. That's all we need for this. Super simple. I have sprayed the inside of the Instant Pot with some non-stick spray. You could use some butter, just something to help it keep it from sticking. So all we're going to do is we're going to add our oats, and we're going to add our salt and our water. We're going to just give it a bit of a mix. And then we're going to put our lid on. And seal it. Make sure that this is in the seal position as well. And then we're going to push pressure cook for 4 minutes. Look at that. So we're going to let this cook for 4 minutes, and then we'll come back and we're going to let it vent off naturally. So our pressure cook is done on the Instant Pot, so now we're just going to wait for it to naturally release. As soon as this little button goes down, it will be safe to open the lid. So our oatmeal is finished cooking. We've allowed it to naturally pressure release. The button's dropped, so let's take the lid off. Okay, and now we're going to give it a stir. The liquid that's on the top will just mix in with the bottom and it will thicken up. Just allow that to thicken up for a few minutes, then it'll be ready to eat. And here's our completed oatmeal. It looks beautiful. You can top this with fruit, nuts, maple syrup, brown sugar, any of your favorite oatmeal toppings. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you've liked this segment in our Instant Pot series. Give us a thumbs up, a like, subscribe, and turn on your notification reminder for any future upcoming segments. As usual, you can find the recipe in the description. Leave us any comments or questions and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Thank you so much. See you next time.